Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a pretty long time for me to film in like my studio, but I have a very exciting new wig that I want to share with you guys. So if you would like to see the new wig that I got, then just keep watching. This is the gorgeous wig. This is from Uniwigs. I love Uniwigs. You guys know I'll put up here all of the other videos that I've done with these types of wigs from Uniwigs. They're always so good, so soft, has really good quality. So for this one, it is a darker one. I decided to go a little bit darker. I have not cut the lace yet, but I'm just gonna put it right on and see how it goes. So I do have extensions in my hair as of right now, just because I'm gonna be having my wedding really soon. So I wanted to have some extensions in my head. These are super, super easy to put in. So on the inside, there are these two little things that you can hook in to make it tighter and looser. And then on the side, they have two little clips in here to really get it into your head. And then you can look at the parting. So the parting is super, super good. I don't know if you guys can see. And then again, on the back, you can see through kind of how the part is and everything on the inside. And then down here, they have the tracks for there. I'm gonna try to zoom in so you can see what it really looks like in the front. So this is the front, just where you'll be able to see the roots up here. It is going to be absolutely perfect. So to put them on, how I just do it is like put it into on the back first, and I put my head in it, and then just until it fits. So I'm gonna start it here, and then pull it up, and then it usually ends up being like this, and that's when you know that at least it's on, and then you can kind of pull it in. So I have a lot of hair right now, so it's probably not gonna fit, but we are going to try. Then I don't use a cap a lot of the times just because I just don't feel like I need to, but they do come with those in there as well. All right, so this is the wig. I think it's super, super cute. I'm gonna straighten it and show you guys what it looks like straightened, and then I'll also curl it as well so you can see both, but it looks super, super nice. Again, I have not cut the lace yet, but it's really, really nice. All right, so this is it straightened, obviously. Now just look at the coloring of this wig. You can see really, really nice highlights in here, and it looks so bomb. Like, can you see this? It looks so natural, and I love that at the bottom, look how it's cut. Oh my God, I love this. I don't think I've ever had, I guess I didn't do a very good job curling the back, but they did such a good job on all of this. Like, just looking at the cut of the actual wig, I think it is so pretty. It's like perfect lined. Ooh, this might be my favorite wig from them. So it comes like here too. It has no problem putting it underneath my ears. I'm gonna go ahead and curl it and show you how it looks when I use my own little curls, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so here is me curling it. I absolutely love this wig. As I've said so many times already that I've had so many, or have so many wigs from Uniwigs, but I think this one is my favorite. It has an amazing part that like you would never be able to know that it is. It sits right on my head like so perfectly that I really don't think anyone would ever know that this is a wig. I absolutely love it. And I swear I'm not even just like being extra, like I really, really love it. It's so easy to put it on as well. And you guys know that I had brain cancer, so I went through a long time while wearing wigs and stuff. So this wig is, that's a lot. For me saying that I think this is my favorite wig that's a lot from coming from someone who lost her hair, or not all of it, but a lot of it because of my surgery, my brain cancer. But this is an amazing wig. So I do have a coupon code for Uniwigs. So if you use Courtney 15, you get 15% off. And this, again, I'll put the link for this exact wig in the description box. It is amazing if you're looking for a new wig, or if you need it for if you're losing hair, or you just want to have a really amazing wig, then I would highly, highly recommend it. It curls perfectly too, if you guys cannot already see. But yeah, I think that's it. I love you guys so, so much. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I know I haven't been posting like a ton recently, but as you guys know, is that I'm getting married in 40 days now. 40! Can you imagine? I feel like I remember right when we got engaged and I was like, oh my god, this is gonna take forever to get engaged or to get married, and like we have 40 days left. It's insane. But again, thank you guys so much for all of your support with everything, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.